everybody, today we are going to be cooking up some high protein, mostly plant-based meal. It'll be red cabbage, pasta, corn, tofu. It's going to be very simple, but good for you and tastes good. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's start by gathering our ingredients. Let's get everything out on the table, have it in front of us so we know exactly what we're doing. Alright, let's preheat our oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. So I like to start cutting up the cabbage first. We're just gonna take this out of its plastic, cut it in half, and then chop that up. Now let's cut up the onion. Okay, now our sous chef is gonna make pasta. You can just come in and you can just like eat a little. Oh, next one. All right, next one. For parsley, so what I do is I grab the end, so I'm holding on to all the stems. I take my knife and I kind of glide it down the end to get most of the leaves off, like this. And despite doing that, we're actually going to eat the stems. The only reason why I'm taking off these right now is because I want to chop off the stems in a different way than I want to chop off the leaves. So the leaves I want to just kind of like roughly chop, no biggie. Now for the stems, I want to finely chop. And now we're just gonna add some corn. Okay, now let's toss this in the oven. I don't usually time it, but I will time it this time and let you guys know how long it is. Now we're simply going to cut up the tofu and that'll really be it, and boil the pasta. So I like to just cut this up into squares. You can cut it up in however you want to. I do relatively thin squares, one so that it'll cook quickly, but two also so that there's more crispiness on the outside. Now all we're going to do for the tofu is put some salt on it and drizzle a little bit of avocado oil. Okay, now we're gonna put the tofu in the oven. I think it's usually about 20 minutes, maybe a little more, but I'll put the exact time after I am done with this. All right, so now just take your pasta, cook it like you normally would, and we'll be back. Take your time, sit on the couch, watch TV, do whatever you want while the food is in the oven, and then once it's out of the oven, we'll toss it and that'll be close to it. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comments. If you think my knife skills were absolutely awful, let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more of this, hit a like, subscribe, and we can keep going.